Hi loves, in today's video I am reviewing the Nicka K New York Mocha Mix 9-color eyeshadow palette. I purchased the Nicka K Mocha Mix 9-color eyeshadow palette from the beauty supply store for $4. I am highlighting my brow bone with this cream shadow using my Energy M124. Using my Coastal Scents detail pointed brush, I am blending this light brown directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye. I am using the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro 9 brush to apply this reddish brown shadow to the outer third and inner third of my lid. I am using the Coastal Scents Small Flat Shader brush to fill in the center of my lid with this shimmery bronze. I am re-highlighting my brow bone with that cream shade using the Energy M124. I just started using this Milk Makeup Kush mascara, and so far I really love how it makes my lashes look. I am trying out a new lash with today's look. This is the Miss 3D Volume Lash in the style M220. I love the length and the volume, very pretty. With the Energy M111, I am blending this dark brown into my lower lash line. And on my waterline, I'm using the Nicka K eye pencil in brown. I am completing my eye makeup by highlighting the inner corner of my eye with this beautiful shimmery copper using my BH Cosmetics V9 brush. Here's my completed Mocha Mix makeup look. I really like how this makeup came out, pairing all the different shades of brown together. And the Miss 3D lash just adds that extra bit of flair to it, with it being such a dramatic lash style. The Nicka K Mocha Mix eyeshadow palette has amazing pigmentation and texture. The shimmers are so pretty, they look best when applied wet, and the mattes are buttery soft and very easy to blend. With its beautiful array of browns, bronze, and copper hues, the Mocha Mix palette is perfect for fall, and for $4 it is definitely worth checking out. Let me know what you think of this makeup look in a comment down below. Check the description for all of the products that I used in today's video, and until next time, bye loves!